I am going to explain that 10th class first chapter real numbers exercise 1.3 third bit question and answers. Okay, so write the following rationals in decimal form using theorem 1.4. So theorem 1.4 is means here in a rational number if the denominator it can be expressed in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then it is terminating decimal. So that is the theorem 1.4. So by depending on that theorem 1.4, we have to convert this into the decimal form. Write the following rationals into the decimal form without performing the actual division. So how it will be, I will explain now. So listen carefully. So 13 by 25 is equals to, we can write it as 13 by, so denominator must be in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So here I am writing, try to understand. So theorem denominator in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. 2 power m into 5 power n. So that you must keep in your mind. So 13 by 25 can be written as now 5 power 2. Okay. So now the denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So that's why I am rewriting this. So 13 by, so 2 power 2 into 5 power 2. Why? Because see 13 by 5 square only we have. But I am taking that 2 power 2 is extra in the denominator place. So it will change the value of the previous 13 by 5 square. So that's why what we have to do, when we are multiplying 2 square in the denominator place, at the same time we have to multiply the 2 square value in the numerator place also. Because so by multiplying or dividing with the same number for the given number, there is no change in the given number. Okay. So now into 2 square. So if you understand, then you can write here. So multiply and divide with multiply and divide with 2 power 2. So this you have to understand. So 13 into 2 square by 2 square into 5 square. 13 into 2 square by 2 square into 5 square. So now try to understand. Now denominator place. So this is our requirement. It is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Say some, right? So it is very easy now to convert that decimal form. How? See, 13 into 2 square can be written as 4 by 2 into 5 whole square. So if you are trying to understand, so first 5 square is there. So to equate the powers, same we will take that 2 square only. If the 5 has 3 as the power, then you can consider, you can take 2 power 3. So right, to get the same powers, we have to take the extra number, that is you must get that into the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So here 2 into 5 whole power 2 we can write it. Now so 13 4 ja 52 by, so 2 5 are 10 whole square. So now 52 by 10 square means 100. 10 square means 100. This is decimal fraction. Try to understand, it is what on decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. So it is very easy to convert that into the form of decimal form. So how many zeros are there under the denominator place? 2 zeros. We have to keep the point after the 2 digits. It is very easy. We know already that. So 52 point here 0. So this is the decimal form of the 13 by 25 without performing actual division. So we can express we can find the decimal form of the 13 by 25 by using the theorem 1.4. What is the theorem 1.4? We have to write the denominator in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Okay. Right. Next problem. Next second problem? 15 by 16. So we have to write the decimal form for this by using the theorem 1.4, same as this. Right? Listen. So 15 by 16 is equals to 15 by 16 can be written as 2 power 4 into the product of 5 primes or factorization. 16 factorization is 2 power 4. So now observe the denominator, it is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power m. 5 power m not there here. So that's why I am taking that 15 by 2 power 4 into what? 5 power 4 we have to take. 5 power 4. 5 power 4. And here is also 5 power 4. Why? Because to get the denominator must be in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, as well as the power is 4. That's why I am multiplying with 5 power 4 with numerator and denominator. Multiply and divide with 5 power 4 here. Okay. Now 15 into 5 power 4. 15 into 5 power 4. 5 power 4 means 5 is repeated 4 times. So 5 ones are 5. So same 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 multiplied 4 times. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. So what is the value of 5 power 4? 625. So by and 2 into 5 whole power 2 into 5 whole power 4 we can write it as a into b whole power 4 is equals to a power 4 into b power 4. In the same manner we can write 2 power 4 into 5 power 4 in the form of 2 into 5 whole power 4. Now 15 into 625 we have to multiply. 15 into 625. So 625 15 is how much? 15 5 is 75. 15 2 is 30. 37 37. 15 6 is 90. 90 this 3 93. So 93 75 is the numerator answer. By down 16 625 into 15 9375 by 5 2 is 10. 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means what, Nana? 10 power 4 means 4 zeros means 10,000. So this can be written as what? See what we can write. This is the decimal fraction. So to write the decimal form for this, how many zeros are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. After the 4 digits, we have to keep the point. So 5, 7, 3, 9, point here 0. Right? So what is the value of 15 by 16 decimal form is 0.9375. This is the decimal form of the 15 by 16. Okay. Next problem we will see. Okay, so next third problem, 23 by 2 power 3 into 5 square. We have to find the decimal form for this. So 23 by 2 cube into 5 square, that is equals to, see I am rewriting this. So 23 by, so if you understand, if you observe this, so 2 power 3 into 5 square. So here under the denominator place, the value it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Okay, better. So it is a terminating decimal, we can understand. But to write the decimal form, the 5 power 2 must be equal. Here powers not equal. Power 5 power 2 is only. So we have to multiply with another 5 to get the powers equal. So for that, so 2 power 3 into 5 power 2. To get that 5 power 3, we need to multiply with one more 5 power 1 and with the numerator and denominator. So right, it is very easy now. So 2 power 3 into 5 power 1. 5 power 1 means nothing but 5. Multiply and divide with 5 power 1. 5 power 1, nothing but 5 only. So 23 into 5. So 105. So 150. Sorry. So 23 into 5. So 150 by, now observe now this is 2 power 3 into 5. Bases are equal, power should be added. So 5 power 3. Now the powers are equal. It is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Then we can convert this into the decimal fraction form 115 by 2 into 5 whole power 3. 2 into 5 whole power 3. The value of this is 115 by 2 5s are 10. 10 power 3. That can be written as So 115 by 10 cube means 1000. The decimal form of this is after the 3 digits we have to keep the point 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 115. Before this we have to write the decimal point. So 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. The decimal form of the value of this is 0.115. Okay, next problem we will start. Okay, see now fourth problem 7218 by 3 square into 5 square. We have to write the decimal form for this. So 7218 by 3 square into 5 square, that can be written as 7218 by, see now 3 square convert it is into 9. 3 square value 9. And into 5 square no need to convert. Why? Because the denominator it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So 5 square as is you should keep on. So better. Now we have to remove the 3 because so denominator must be in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n only. Should not have any other than 2 and 5. So 3 square value 9. Now I am removing this 9. How? So 9 1s are 9 8 are 72. And 0, 18 means 9 2s are 18. 8 not 2 we will get in the numerator place. 8 not 2 5. Here 5 square. 5 square. See? So 5 square. To convert this the denominator into the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, we have to multiply and divide into 2 square. 2 square into 2 square. And here also 2 square. Multiply and divide with 2 square. That is the most important thing. So now 802 into 2 square, 802 into 4 by, this is 2 into 5 whole square, 2 into 5 whole square. 802 into 4 is equal to, multiply 4 2s are 8, 4 0 0, 4 8 are 32 by 2 5s are 10, 10 square means 100, 10 square means 100. Now we have to keep the point. Where we have to keep the point? After the 2 digits. Why? Because we have the 2 zeros here. In the denominator place 100 is there. So after the 2 digits we have to keep the point. That is 32.08 is the decimal form for the 7218 by 3 square into 5 square. So without actual performance division we are saying that the decimal form for the given problem. Okay, by the theorem 1.4. Now the final problem, fifth problem. Okay. Okay, next fifth problem, 143 by 110. 143 by 110 is equal to, we can write the denominator. So 143 by, this can be written as into the factors 22 5s are. 22 5s are directly we can write it. So why? Because to convert that the denominator into the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So 143 by 22 can be written as 2 into 11 into 5. 2 into 11 into 5. So now we have only in the denominator place 2 power m into 5 power n only we need. But 11 is there extra. That's why we have to remove this 11. By cancellation we will get that 11 1s are 11 1s are 11. What is the remainder? 3, 33, then 11 3 is 33. Then what is the numerator value now? 13 by 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 5. So directly we can write it. Here it is the decimal form, decimal fraction. Now 13 by 10 value is 1.3. After the 1 digit we have to keep the point. That value is 1.3. What is the decimal form of 143 by 110? 1.3. Okay. I hope you understand that exercise 1.3 thoroughly. Okay. So thank you. Watch our channel to understand, to get more updated videos. Okay. Thank you.